AI altcoins may be making a big comeback soon. Is Cardano poised for a huge rally? And could the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust actually pump up Bitcoin now? This is your Altcoin Buzz News. Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Cody, and if you're new here, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you know when I drop latest content. Follow us on Twitter, Altcoin Buzz AO, and as always, it's not financial advice, and we wish you the best of luck in your crypto ventures.
And so if this market pulls back hard under this level and then consolidates and comes back, we're likely to sell and stall.
Bitcoin starts a new week with bullish sentiment back on the radar as $64,000 returns. Bitcoin price action has managed to leave its latest swing lows far behind, gaining nearly $8,000 versus the pit of last week's sell-off. Despite some of those gains coming during the weekend, they proved to have staying power, and during the May 6 Asia trading session, bears are having no look, pushing the market back down. The weekend ultimately posed no threats to Bitcoin bulls, providing some unexpected upside that ended up holding into the weekly close. Trader Dan Crypto Trades wrote Bitcoin weekly candle shaping up to be a really nice one, swept all the liquidity below that was built up over the past 2 months, and bounced quickly afterwards. We're still in the bigger range, but at least we got some upside momentum going into the next week. Data from monitoring resource CoinGlass meanwhile put Bitcoin up 5.8% in May so far, reducing overall second quarter losses to under 10%. Michael Vanderpump highlighted the significance of $60,000. Despite this level offering a little consolidation to bulls last week, he said Bitcoin above 60K and retail isn't here. This range is completely fine as long as Bitcoin holds above 60K. Altcoins slowly waking up. The upcoming week is relatively quiet when it comes to macroeconomic data, but recent events provide traders more than enough to monitor. The latest United States employment figures gave risk assets a boost across the board last week, with the Federal Reserve increasingly expected to lower interest rates in the coming months. Easing of financial conditions is becoming a question of not if, but when. For Michael Vanderpump, there's even a chance of quantitative easing making a reappearance, a return to the Fed increasing available liquidity. He said very significant chance that most of the pain is already in for altcoins. The upcoming week is going to be an interesting one. Likely we'll see more upwards momentum as Friday showed the way for the dollar and Bitcoin with terrible economic data. QE is coming soon. Last Friday, the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust ETF finally drew more new cash in than it lost, snapping an 11th week streak with a positive gain of $63 million. GBTC has been seeing so many investors cashing out since competing spot Bitcoin ETFs were approved in January. Bloomberg ETF analyst Eric Balchunas wrote, "Holy crap, GBTC had inflows today. Their 80-day streak is finally over. I had to rub my eyes and double check the data, but it's true." He added, on a scale of 1 to 10, how we're so back is this. GBTC is still the largest Bitcoin spot ETF with over $18.7 billion in assets under management, but constant outflows allowed newer competitors to close the gap, and BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin Trust has $17.2 billion as of Tuesday. It's not unusual to find an altcoin decoupled from Bitcoin, especially after a week of long drawdown. At the time of writing, the render price is up 15% in the past 48 hours, compared to Bitcoin's 0.23% fall. Render is generally a market outlier, with growth significantly outpacing other AI tokens in the ecosystem. Render has jumped to over $10 at the time of writing, up 48% in the last week alone. Render's appeal is hinged on the industry it represents. As an artificial intelligence protocol, Render has managed to ride the growing valuation surge in the industry. Render is designed as a GPU rendering network to connect miners with GPU capabilities with artists and studios in need of it. Beyond Render, many crypto protocols and Wall Street firms are riding the AI wave. Nvidia, for instance, is one of the biggest beneficiaries of this rally, with its valuation topping over $2 trillion this year. Many analysts are bullish on the firm, as its GPU hardware and dominant software position it as a leader in the AI race. Beyond Nvidia, Apple is also said to have revamped its market performance and product output with AI. The formation of the Artificial Superintelligence Alliance, or ASI, by Fetch AI, SingularityNet, and Ocean Protocol is also a testament to the potential of AI many are visualizing. Thus far, the ASI Alliance has been getting the necessary backing from the protocol's respective communities. Our partners at Sui have just celebrated their 1-year anniversary of their mainnet launch. After a busy 12 months that included launching on mainnet and the announcement of fresh partnerships with TikTok parent company ByteDance and Google, Misten Labs, creator of the Layer 1, is confident that blockchain tech is about to turn the proverbial corner. Evan Chang, CEO and co-founder of Misten Labs, said the killer app for Web3 is coming. The ChatGPT moment is coming soon, adding the current bull run is coinciding with Web2 tech giants, expressing more interest in blockchain than ever before. He said we're seeing a lot of interest from more established companies. Companies that previously hadn't done anything in the space are coming in. Miston Labs also recently announced ecosystem partnerships, including striking agreements with both Alibaba Cloud and Google Cloud, each centered around bolstering security and scalability. Byte Plus, the tech division of TikTok parent company ByteDance, also recently partnered with Chang's company in order to develop a diverse slate of initiatives that includes Web3 gaming, SocialFi, recommendation solutions, and augmented reality products. You may not have noticed lately, but Sui is fast becoming a home for some terrific airdrops. DeepBook, Sui's premier gateway for liquidity, has already had one airdrop, and a second one is coming soon. Other Sui ecosystem projects are airdropping soon as well, and the easiest way to get them is buying Sui and holding in the Sui Wallet. There's a new mobile version available, so try the Sui Wallet out today with the link down below. Against the backdrop of a bearish monthly run for Cardano, a prominent crypto market analyst made an attention-grabbing post on X, injecting a substantial dose of optimism into the 10th largest cryptocurrency by market cap. In a post shared by crypto market analyst Ellie Martinez, he highlighted that ADA remains poised for a parabolic run based on historical trends. According to Martinez, in 2019, ADA illustrated a remarkable pattern wherein the token's price trajectory consolidated within a parallel range, marking the end of a bear market. Simultaneously, the token witnessed a whopping 75% price rally, further scored by a 56% correction, setting the stage for another impressive bull run. In 2023, a similar phenomenon garnered noteworthy interest, wherein Cardano consolidated within a parallel range, again marking the end of a bear market. Subsequent to this period of stagnation, ADA embarked on a 72% price rally, followed by a 50% correction, further setting the stage for another bull run. These remarks illustrate the analyst's confidence in ADA's potential to offer another round of substantial gains. However, it's worth noting that past performances don't always guarantee future movements within the turbulent landscape of cryptocurrencies. To this, the analyst adds, history doesn't repeat itself, but it often rhymes. NFTBank, a leading name in NFT portfolio management, has launched NFTBank version 2. This latest upgrade promises innovative features to enhance NFT investment management, particularly in the dynamic world of Web3 gaming. Their new version 2 includes enhanced NFT investment management with advanced tracking and valuation tools. NFTBank V2 ensures better management of NFT portfolios, as well as streamlined portfolio functionality, where users can now manage bulk purchases, fresh minting, and secondary market transactions effortlessly. V2 also allows connection of up to 3,000 wallets, simplifying asset management across multiple assets. And lastly, it offers easy NFT tax calculations, making NFTBank a one-stop solution for tax-related matters. The NFTBank V2 upgrade is set to launch with initial support for Ethereum and Ronin blockchains, signaling a focus on Web3 gaming ecosystems.